Hey guys, welcome back. It's Rebecca with Lakes Walkeny RV Center. Today we're looking at a 2025 Forest River Sanibel 3952 FBWD. This one is going to have 4 slides, 2 power awnings. It is a bunkhouse. You're in for a treat today. Nice kitchen island. You've got a nice big reclining sofa, additional storage here on the ends. You get a nice leaf to pull out for more seating. You get 4 bar stools. This leaf actually extends from the island. There's so many extras, a little storage here. Of course, you are going to have storage above your TV, the electric fireplace, full wine rack, full-size microwave, 4-burner stovetop, enough size in that oven to make a small turkey. Of course, you get the barn-style sink, spray port. This is one of my favorites, the trash can holder. They've got a cutting board right into the trash can, and then it's a nifty little feature. You got your silverware, and this thing actually drops in for a paper towel holder, and it dispenses here. Super cool. Full-size fridge. You don't know this is a pantry, there's a reminder there for you. Plenty of room in there. They've even put in a coffee bar. Super nice, super nice. I guess let's go check out the bunk room. You've got a nice entertainment center, 4 small children up in your bunk area. If you are an at-home teacher, it's perfect for the kids to do their homework. And they get a half bath. Nice little medicine cabinet in there. You get a fireplace in the master suite with storage above. You've got a closet over here, queen size bed, lighting, storage. It's absolutely beautiful. Come check out this master bath. You get storage here. All the medicine cabinets, his and her sink. Nice shower with a seat. And then of course, you've got your washer and dryer. You guys like to check out more RVs or have any questions about this one? Give us a call or shoot us a text at 903-447-2633. Come check out our 2025 Forest River Sanibel 3952 FBW. Later.